Today is Scott's Law Day in Illinois. It's a day that remembers Lieutenant Scott Gillen of the Chicago Fire Department, who was hit and killed by an intoxicated driver. You may know of it as the Move Over Law. It requires drivers to get over or slow down when approaching an emergency vehicle or a vehicle with hazard lights on. News 10's Blake Dahlia is live in the studio tonight. He tells us how Illinois State Police are cracking down on Scott's Law offenses nearly 2 decades later.
Rondrell, Illinois State Police tell me this law is very important to them. They tell us just this year 22 officers have been involved in Scott's Law-related crashes. 13 of those were hurt. And with more crashes in this year than last year, police are cracking down on Scott's Law offenses. When you cross into Illinois, Jamie Bufford of Illinois State Police says to be careful. She says the number of Scott's Law violators who haven't slowed down or moved over, causing those 22 crashes this year, worries her and all of ISP.
Any police officer out on the roadways, it's alarming and it's scary because you never know what's going to happen. You have to be watching your back at all times.
Bufford says to be on the lookout for cars parked on the side of the road. So when you get on the ramp to merge onto the interstate, make sure you're paying attention, slowing down and moving over, like this car. Signs are posted, and if you disobey them, you could face a fine anywhere from $250 to $10,000 on your first offense.
Nobody wants to get pulled over, so, but unfortunately, sometimes you need that education. A fine for that might help, and also then they can start telling their friends, hey, I got pulled over for this. Maybe we need to be paying attention more.
So before you speed on by, Illinois State Police say to put yourself in the shoes of the driver who's parked on the side of the road.
It's common sense. You know, you see a vehicle on the side of the road, slow down, move over. Obviously, if that was your grandmother on the side of the road, for whatever reason, you would want people moving over. So make sure you give everybody that courtesy.
With these things in mind, Bufford says Scott's Law Day has a lot of significance to Illinois State Police.
It is a very important day for us. You know, we just want to make sure people are paying attention, motorists out on the roadway, the emergency vehicles on the side of the road, or any vehicle with its hazard lights activated.
Again, the number of police cars hit by violators this year has been 22. That's up from 15 last year. For a breakdown of the last 5 years' data on accidents caused by Scott Law violations, go to our website. That's WTHI-TV.com. Rondrell, back to you.